Hi guys, I'm going to show you how to make a 2-ingredient dessert in under 30 minutes. And this is how it turns out. Perfect with ice cream or whipped cream. You only need 2 ingredients. I added a couple more because I'm extra, but it's definitely not necessary. So if you want to know how to make this, you know this is the channel Quick, Fast, Easy Meals for people who don't want to cook, don't have time to cook, don't like to cook. Keep watching. Okay guys, let's get cooking. First, I sprayed my 8x8 dish right here with some Pam. You know, I don't like to do a lot of scrubbing of dishes. This recipe comes together really easy. I've got some apple pie filling that I'm going to use. And just to make it taste a little bit better, I'm going to add a sweet enough 1/3 cup of brown sugar, 1 can. If you're making this for a potluck, do 2 cans and a 9x13. But this is just for my husband and I. And then I'm going to add just a tiny bit of pure vanilla. I know it's already sweet, but it just kind of takes away the canned pie filling taste. Kind of reminds me of a apple fritter donut. And then you need cinnamon rolls. This comes with 8 plus the frosting. Okay, so you want to open up your cinnamon rolls. I have my oven preheated to 400 degrees. And this comes with its own glaze that you can put on top, which is pretty nice. I usually add powdered sugar to it and a little bit more milk, but today I'm just going to use it straight from what they give you in here. I stopped liking this after college because we ate it so much in college. That was in the 80s, so I'm kind of burned out on this, but my husband likes these. So you're going to pull these apart and cinnamon side up. See, they're covered with cinnamon. Kind of stick one in there like that. It's only 8. Could have used a couple more, but this should be fine. In the oven, 15 to 25 minutes, depending on your oven. Did I put that one in upside down? Nope, this isn't good. Okay, so there you have it. Just stick this in the oven and we'll come back and see how it looks. Okay, this is after 15 minutes cooking time in my oven, so it's definitely going to go longer than 15 to 17 minutes. So I reset the timer for another 10. Okay guys, there you have it after 30 minutes. It's more like a dumpling, and then I'm going to add the cream cheese frosting, or I don't know what kind of frosting this is. Like I said, this is my husband's thing. I maxed out on these in the 80s in college. We used to eat these almost every day. I think that's when they really became popular, or maybe hit the market. So I'm just going to try and get all of this out. There you have it. This is a apple cinnamon bake dessert. I guess it's more like a dunk, but it's not really a cake because I use cinnamon rolls. I want to thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share. Give this recipe a try, and you can use any fruit you want. I think apple and cinnamon goes together like peanut butter and jelly, but strawberry works well. Cherries, whatever can of fruit that you have. So let me get everything set up so I can tell you guys my joke. Okay guys, let me tell you my joke. A busy couple whose schedules only allow them to have sex once a month. They bought a packet of 12 condoms so they could have sex every month for a whole year. 3 months later, the wife went to get a condom and found the box empty. What happened to the other condom? She asked her husband. He replied nervously, I masturbated with them. The next day, she shared the story with a male coworker and asked him, has he ever done that? He said, yeah, once or twice, he told her. Well, you've actually masturbated with the condom? Oh, he said, I thought you were asking me if I ever lied to my wife. That's cold. Now, the man just threw his male partner, you know, they're supposed to stick together, threw him under the bus. He could have just left it at that. But I thought that was kind of cute, not too risque. But yeah, this is so freaking good. You guys got to give this recipe a try. And if you change it, use a different fruit, please comment below and let me know. If you have any ideas to change this and make this better, please let me know. I respond to all comments. I love you all. I appreciate your time watching my videos. So I want to thank you guys for watching. God bless you and your family always. I love you for your time that you spend, and I appreciate you. God bless and have a good evening. Okay, this is how it comes out. And make sure you get some apples underneath and put some apples on top. And this pairs perfectly with ice cream or whipped cream. And this makes a very delicious, easy dessert for your family, especially for weeknights.